Say hi.
Hey, Dad.
What up, Vaughn fam? We are here today.
Are you recording? Oh, his nose. You recording? You are. What's up, guys? That's the sun. It's hot. Why is it hot?
Stuffy nose.
Look at that. You see the drip drip?
Yeah, it's dripping.
It's dripping. Say hi.
Hi.
So here's a before, guys. This is where Tay and Megan's baby shower is going to be at the same spot as always. That's their deck. It's all done. Almost all done. That's their deck. They're stringing the lights up right now. Oh, stringing the lights up right now. It's gonna look so good. Hey, Vaughn fam, so we are here. We meaning me, my sister. We accomplished a great task. Deeds. And I'm not gonna show you until they see it.
Could you hand me a can opener, a bottle opener for these bottles out here?
Bottle. Say hi, Ronald.
Hello, what's up, peoples? I make everybody look better.
So we're just waiting on them to come out of this room right here.
That'll work.
That
Thank
one.
you.
And then we can show them.
Today, we ain't got all day. The football game is on.
Oh, calm down, sir. So while we're waiting for them to be ready, do you guys want to see my outfit for today? Hold on, outfit of the day. Oh, you get alphabets. But I got this boho vibe going. Okay, ready? I got it. That's so cute. Look at your belly. It's all my niece right there. That is not sis. That is all baby. Okay, you guys ready? You ready?
Okay.
Are you ready? Oh, she's putting shoes on.
Yeah, those. Really? Do they look funny?
No, no, it's cute. How you guys feel? What are you thinking?
I'm nervous.
You're nervous. Okay.
Oh my god, imagine having to film my wedding day.
Wow. I feel famous. It's not you, it's what's in your belly. What's in your belly is famous.
So good. Good job, guys.
Megan, all this stuff is for those twins coming out.
Oh man.
Twins?
Yeah.
That's it.
Good job.
Need this.
I tell you, I can't take credit. I cannot take credit. Yeah, I have to because of the music.
Wait, let me get your pretty face on there.
Hey guys, well I already told them hi.
Oh.
Hello!
Let's get my pretty face on there. What's up, guys? How you doing? Hit him with the pose, Emma. Hit him with the pose. Okay.
Okay,
What's up? As soon as you get your bracelet / necklace, you cannot say the word baby. And you cannot cross your legs. If someone sees you crossing your legs, they can snatch your necklace / bracelet.
can I cross my fingers? Take yours now. You just said it.
No.
Can I cross my fingers?
Watch out for this one though. She's on it.
Come on, listen. Can we get a blindfold right here? Seriously.
Yes. Well, let me just have time.
No.
I have to see what instructions are first.
No, listen. Once you stop talking, you're gonna know.
All right, here we go.
The person feeding is gonna be blindfolded. Okay? The person that first finish all the food is going to be the winner. Okay?
That's you, Daddy.
Not put it on your bed.
I don't even want to.
Okay?
You're
Make it in the mouth, not the food. Okay? So, listen, feeders, you can honestly do this with your eyes closed. I believe maybe one person out of this whole group.
Kendria can.
She can because she's honest. I believe Myra possibly can. I think my mom will naturally feed and want to open her eyes, so we need a blindfold. Go!
Go.
Oh, gotta
Go!
You're at a movie audition. Audition for a toddler.
On your mark, let me take your glass. Get set. Go! Okay, give me your best 10 seconds of a toddler tantrum. Get set. Go!
Ah, why? No, Mama, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, I want to test it out.
Go ahead, bud.
Oh yeah, I forgot what's some hits.
You said no.
She was a no, I don't want to. It's a bigger bottle.
Hey, you forgot one. You forgot one.
Yeah.
Yeah, he did good. But I think DJ did that one.
Oh, yeah.
DJ did that one.
Stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers.
What up, guys? Long time no talk. Hi.
Hi.
So we just got home. I just got home from watching the boys. I'm pooped, but I saw this cute little package on our. Actually, Jade saw it. He goes, "Mom, there's a box." So we're gonna open it. I know what it is because I see who it's from, but I'll just open it and just go from there, I guess. Okay, here we go. Wait. One at a time, Let's start opening that one. What is it? A picture frame. I'm so excited for this because look how cute. Isn't that cute? So I asked for an extra large. Oh cool, it's a Bella Canvas shirt.
Oh, and
Anyway, I asked for an extra large because I'm really liking my shirts to be kind of bigger and then tying them at the knot. Like I've just kind of been really liking that. So anyway, I got this. Oh, by the way, okay, so let me give you some backstory. My friend, one of my best friends from middle school, her name is Nicole. She actually started her YouTube channel before this one was ever a thought. Well, before it was ever like on. Anyway, she has her channel. I'll link her up right here. Nicole Chanel. Her and her husband are flipping hilarious. She's always been hilarious though. Anyway, I won a giveaway that she did, so I was like, heck yeah. So this is the giveaway that I won. Okay, what's in that one? What is that? We got some leaves to decorate. There's a bunch more in here. You pick, Jade. What is it? Oh, a candle. Is it heavy?
no, it's not heavy. Oh, I know what it is.
What is it? What is it? Tell me. Hurry. Before you open it, what do you think it is? Do you see what it is?
Oh, it's a cup.
It's a cup?
Yep.
Let me see. Hold on, guys. I gotta take this call. I don't know if I told you guys, but I got called. Okay, so the day after I posted the last video on the channel about ways to make money, and I was talking about market research. So in that video, I say, I'm like waiting by my phone, ready for them to call me, and then the next day they called me, and I'm doing another market research one, and this one's really cool because I get to bring a friend, and then if my friend like qualifies for whatever this one is, then they get paid too. So I was like, that's cool. So they were just calling to do confirmations. Like I said, they'll call you a lot with like, have a lot of questions just to make sure you're still like qualifying for it, like you're still like a good person, a good candidate for this particular research study. And we still are. So anyway, they were just calling and had to do more question stuff. So I'm so excited. I love doing those. It says Hocus Pocus. Yeah, it says I need wine to focus. How cute is that? Hocus Pocus, I need wine to focus. Champagne will be in this. I smell this already.
I think there's another one. Oh, the pumpkin.
How cute!
Oh, another one.
Another one what? Ooh, cute though! This one says hazelnut cream. Let's smell this one.
Sorry, guys.
Oh my god, this smells like coffee. Like, it makes me want to go get some coffee. Or make some coffee.
Okay.
Oh, last one. What's in there? What's in there?
Oh, the pumpkin golden one.
Oh, I love this one. It's so cute. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna like put everything. So I got my nice little glass. Sorry, you're like all up in my grill. My nice little glass here. My 3 candles. My 2 pumpkins. My Hocus Pocus shirt. And all the mess behind it.
Oh, and your picture.
And my picture frame. Anyway, so that's just what Jade and I wanted to show you guys. Us opening up that box of my giveaway that I won. Also, another cool thing. I won another giveaway. So Sean Cannell, one of our more recent uploads, the manifesting a trip to. Oh, and the leaves too. Got the leaves too. Manifesting a trip to Vegas. So I won that ticket from Think Media, and Think Media. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Shh. Think Media is Sean Cannell's company. Sean Cannell and Benji Travis wrote a book together called YouTube Secrets, and it just came out on September 25th, 24th, 25th, something like that, anyway. And I was gonna get it on Amazon Prime. It's actually in my cart right now, but then I won one. I won a giveaway, so now I don't have to buy it. I mean, I might, as for a gift for somebody else or something, but, or maybe I could do a giveaway for that. That would be cool. That's a good idea, huh? So anyway, it should be, I don't know when it's gonna get here, but it was just cool because I won this giveaway, and then like a few days later, I heard that I won that giveaway for the book too, and I was like, heck yes! And I've never, it's all about what you believe, because past experiences, I haven't won a lot of like giveaways or like things like that, but lately I'm on a roll, so if I enter something, oh snap.
I was gonna show you these brownies.
Do you want them? You can have it, baby. You want it? You don't? Why not?
I don't.
Okay, I'm not gonna pressure you to have some brownies.
Ready? Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mila. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Look at that. Look at that.
Again. Again.
Do it again.
Again.
Oh, yay!
Keep going.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay!
Good job, Mama. Hi, sir.
Hey,
Oh, what do you have there?
I got some juice, apple juice, and orange juice, and
Hi.
I'm a ninja.
He's a ninja.
And I got a gun.
So hi guys, we're out here at Tay's and Megan's. It's raining, but they redid this shed, and I don't know if you ever saw it before. I don't think you did. But we're gonna be covering pumpkins in here today. So come on, let's go see. guys buying me a drink at the bar.
I mean, Uncle Tay. Mika, to see you. Got Shauna here.
Yeah, look at my design. It's happening.
Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, October 30th. Tomorrow is Halloween. And I completely edited this entire video up until this point right here, and then I realized I've been holding on to the YouTube Secrets unboxing because I wanted to unbox it, or like unpackage it, I guess, for you guys. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I've had this probably a week and a half now. And I can send a thank you note. This is a gift for you, Kendria. Enjoy the book from Sean Cannell. It's so cool. So Sean, Benji, I don't know if I ever told you guys, but I feel like I've said it on our channel before, but way back in like 2012, I think I was pregnant with Jade still, and that's when I first started, like, well, I think I started watching YouTube in like 2010, 2011, and that was just for like music videos, to listen to music. But then I don't know how I stumbled upon like beauty gurus, and then It's Judy's Life, which is Benji's wife. I was definitely subscribed to her beauty channel. It's called It's Judy's Time. That's her beauty channel. I subscribed to that, and then she mentioned she had a vlog channel. I was like, what's that? And so then I watched her vlog channel. That was the first vlog channel I've ever seen, and I loved it so much because I was so interested in it. Yeah, it's weird, right? Just watching other people's life. Mila, mommy is oh, what are you doing, girl? Anyway, it's weird, right? Like when you think about it, like you're watching other people's lives, but I guess that's natural. Like it's just a natural curiosity that I think most of us have. Anyway, so back then I was like, this is so cool. I was like, we could do it. I had like one of those, you know, basically clubbing cameras. That's kind of what I call it, because it's the only reason why I got it, so you could take like cute, like well, I think it was past MySpace, cute Facebook pictures, social media pictures to post. Anyway, so I had that camera, so then I started like walking around. I was like, so I was like walking around trying to vlog with it, and Michael just wasn't into it, so I lost my motivation. And because that was the only example I had was Judy and Benji and their family, and they were both into it. They were both picking up the camera. So needless to say, I've known Benji for a very long time, and I actually remember one of their old videos that they brought Sean on, because I'm pretty sure Sean did their wedding video, and I think that they were talking about that and that they were working on a project. And then how crazy is it that like 6 years later, here they are with their book. And I just got back from Sean's, or Grow With Video Live, which is their like conference, and Benji would have been there, but he did something, I think, to his collarbone, basically had to get surgery, so he wasn't there. But that's okay. I'm definitely gonna go back next year. I'm so excited to read this. I'm so excited to read this. I'll probably do like a book review, and like maybe do and if I like it, which I'm sure I will, because I've totally invested in Sean Cannell's courses and stuff already, so I know I'm gonna like this. I already know that he knows a ton about YouTube, so I'm probably gonna do a review on this and then a giveaway, so look out for that video. Anyways, guys, the baby shower came out so beautiful. The only thing that was like, dang it, was it started raining. And so I don't know if you could tell that when the guys were doing their temper tantrums, we were like under the covered part because it was like downpour everywhere else. But then the day before, it was like 85 degrees out. It was so weird. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a compilation of like everything. I just want to throw it in there, and then I have some ideas coming out. There's still one more video coming out, probably gonna come out later on this week. If it's really late, next week. This is a big week for us. I want to be done rambling. Thank you for watching. We love you guys. God bless you, and we'll see you in our next video.